Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Tara Nicole here. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. So today I was going to bring you the decorating of my February layout and then putting down the bill due stickers for the month. And then I was like, oh no, maybe they don't want to see it. But now I kind of want to show you because I did the sticker kit from GP Stickers, the February kit. I just moved that. And I'll link the haul above, but I think this is really meant for an Erin Condren, and I was like, oh, let me see if it works in my Happy Planner, because I think she has beautiful sticker monthly kits, but I'm already having an issue. So when I put it down, it was too big, and I'll show you on the other side. And then my planner goes Sunday to Saturday, and her stickers go Sunday to Wednesday over here, and then like it goes Thursday to Saturday. So I ended up having to like cut off this side, which is this part of the Wednesday. And then now I have to figure out how to put this side on and attach this Wednesday. So right now, the feeling that I'm having, actually I'm going to put on the other side first. The feeling that I'm having about this is not great for the top part. It might just be the top part that's an issue. Okay, good job, Tara. But it's too thick. I think if you have Erin Condren, it is probably going to fit in there amazingly. But if you have a Happy Planner, I don't know. So, oh my gosh. So I laid this on top of the other stickers, and now all the stickers are stuck. Let me take them off. Okay, so I got all those stickers off. And another thing was, like, it came down much farther in my boxes. So, yeah. But I don't want to cover up those dates. So annoying. Okay, so anyway, now I've lost the dates on the 1st and the 2nd, but that's okay. She gave us date covers, and this is what it looks like on the back, excess here and excess there. And now I'm going to attempt to put back down my Wednesday. And I'm just showing you guys this so you have some idea of if you have a freaking Happy Planner and you did like those stickers, that it probably is not going to be the best situation. But because I already bought them, your girl is going to use them. I kind of wish I had an X-Acto knife right now, and I don't. Okay, so now that that's over, let's see. I think that this sticker is supposed to go like, oh God, that's probably going to be an issue too. I'm sorry, guys. It's supposed to go on like the empty days. Well, at least this looks like it's going to fit the box better. Maybe. Not really, because I can still see under the months. But that's probably because I didn't bring it all the way down. And I feel like theirs was like 4 days over here, so it would have fit their planner perfectly. But unfortunately, that's not what mine looks like. So I'm gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna cut this out. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna leave all my little extras on the sheets in case I want to use them for whatever reason. And it looks super crooked, but it's gonna have to do, guys. Like, it's gonna be what it is. And I think I'm going to use this one here on the 2 days down here. Why do these not fit? This is really annoying. Is that where it's supposed to go? I don't know. Maybe I can use it on these 2 days. That seems ridiculous because Friday, I don't know, it doesn't look right. It doesn't match right. Okay. I think these little stickers are supposed to like go in boxes. But my boxes, I don't know, maybe their boxes are smaller. This is disheartening. But that's okay. I'm going to put this in the Valentine's Day box. No, I'm not, because I like the love one for the Valentine's box. Valentine's Day box, I'm going to put this one. God knows, I don't know. But I believe these are sidebar stickers, so let's see if they even fit. I'm not going to let y'all watch me try to lay these down. I'm going to attempt to lay these down, and I'll be back. So I'm just going to lay this one, and then I'm going to lay probably this one, then this one, and then this one. Okay, love, so I got my sidebars down. They don't look too bad, but there's like this little empty space down here. I don't know, but I can add a different sticker, I'm sure. Next time, I think I might just start from the bottom and do it to the top and see how that looks, because I'd rather it be lined up this way. I might possibly just try doing that off camera again, because I don't know. I'm trying not to feel defeated. But so then I believe you're supposed to pick one of these four. So I'm gonna use goals for my top one. And then I think I'm gonna do monthly to-dos. Health and finances. I actually really do like this part, because I've been tracking my weight, and I like to keep it over here so I can always just do my weight for the 4 weeks. So on the 8th, I get paid, and then on the 22nd, you guys know I get paid every 2 weeks. I got some pre-stickers like cell phone, car payment, rent, and those are all. And then there wasn't any more to pick from, so obviously I did not buy these in February, guys. Actually the green, because there are some green elements in her spread, so I'm gonna put $9.50 here and put that down on the 1st, which was Friday. And I still haven't gotten my debit card in the mail, so I haven't been able to pay that yet. But it will get paid once debit card comes, and I have until the 7th to get it paid. So that is really bright compared to this whole kit, but that's okay. And you know what? I'm gonna just go down. No, I'll add the covers last, because that is gonna be a problem. And I'm going to, what else do I have? Car payment, which is you're right, I wish. Car payment, which is $299.46, and we're gonna go with green. $299.46, and that is due on the 20th. So much stuff going on. This is what it looks like when you're really planning. Hope it's not too, alarming. 20th. I really enjoyed the way that February looked, and I was trying to step it up this month. That took a lot. I do love it still, but it was, I don't know, because it didn't fit this particular planner. I'll have to do some research on ones that are made for Happy Planner. And then we have, so I used my car payment, I used my rent, and then I bought the cell phone one. So, and I eventually like to pick up all of them. The cell phone one, or from someone else. This is $77.27, or it was last month. So $77.27, and that is due on the 4th. So we'll put that down. Okay. Now, for general bill due stickers, I want to go ahead and try and use hers first, because they actually fit the kit. And so car insurance is $195, and that's due on the 1st also. You know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to get a general, another green sticker, because this is already green. I don't want to put those on different pages. Different colors on different things. So $195 for that. Also not paid yet because thievery, and I'm waiting for the debit card. So it should be coming today, if I haven't already said that. Seriously. Okay. Then we have the PSE&G bill, which is due on the 7th. Okay, we'll use one of hers. And that is supposed to be $35, even though I think it's coming in at $34. So I'm just going to look one more month. Oh, this doesn't look like it wants to write on here. Oh, okay. Well, there goes another difference. Doesn't look like the nice pen will write on this paper, which is very interesting to me. So let's see what happens with that. Although I thought these are very pretty. Oh, great. I don't know if they're going to work for me. So 35 on the 7th. You see, it kind of rubbed, which is not cool. Okay, Netflix on the 13th goes into the next box like that. But who's about to fix it? Not me. And it's not all that. I'm not all that. I'm good. Let's see what else we can use from her kit to decorate, and then we'll be done. If you're done looking, that's fine. If you're interested to see what else I do with this kit, then stay tuned. Now, because these two boxes are weird and don't fill up the whole box for me, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some more of this washi color, and I'm just going to put some, oh, okay, well, maybe not this, because, okay, no. That's not a thing. That's not a thing. I think that's supposed to be used to block off time, but I know some of these are tinier. Damn it. Don't play with me. Okay, so like a strip like this at the top here. Okay, and then another strip, because I'm determined to get my money's worth, y'all. At the top right here. Oh, and then since Wednesday and Thursday are not a thing, that strip I just ripped off, I'm gonna just put right up in here. Actually, you know what? I don't want it to run into my bill dues, so I'm going to start it this way, as to say this is not any days in the month. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. And then this sticker that didn't... Oh, snap! Turn and use this whole thing. I think this sticker was just an excess sticker, excess hang-off part of the sticker, so I'm going to try to make this a little straighter. And I believe these are just florals going up like that. And then I'm just going to put this in the middle of that, just so it kind of, whoa. Don't cover my dates. Y'all can't see. Like that. Oh, I'm all about not wasting. So this whole thing is gone. Okay, we did it again. Damn it, Gina. Okay. I still have this little, oh, and this down here looks ridiculous. This down here by itself, just chilling with nothing. So I think I'm going to do the same thing with that and put some, and I'm going to cut off the little extras that you see over here, but I don't want y'all to have to sit through that. So I'm going to washi the top of the side is crooked. But I will tell you what, they are very good quality and they come up really easy. I'm going to go ahead and off camera add in all these date stickers because I feel like they're going to take forever, and then we'll come back and look what the entire thing looks like. Hey loves, so I went ahead and just moved a few things around, and I actually really like the way it came out. It was a bit of a struggle. I'm not sure I would buy it again because of the layout, but I figured it out and I'm very happy with it. I'll be happy looking at it for the month. So what I did was I kind of moved my trackers, what I call them my trackers, to down a little bit, and then that's where the word notes that I whited out was. So I put a little thing to write and a little note tag. I'm not sure what I'm gonna write there yet. And I already put a no spend sticker that I found in for my goals because it's Frugal February. And then I think I want to put down this $sign for another one of my goals is to make a certain amount of money on Poshmark. So I'll put that down, and that looked really nice with this particular one. And I have like 4 things down. I do want to record a video every week, every month. No, God, every day this month. So I love these little camera things. I'll put that down as well. And I was able to separate 2 of these with like the leftover washi that I had, so it was a little more even in my opinion. And we have all our bill dues down. I moved the love from off of this day because it's actual Valentine's Day, and I didn't want to put my sticker over that because y'all know I have the basic planner basic stickers, and I remember seeing that they had stickers for specific days, so I want to use those because I want to use my stickers. So this is Valentine's Day, and I'm just gonna put that particular one down on Valentine's Day. Boom, super cute. And then I believe that President's Day is on here as well. Yes, it is. Let me see if it will come up. It'll be wonderful. Okay, and President's Day is, whiteout is a girl best friend, so I'm gonna white out President's Day. And then I'm just gonna put the sticker over it. I could have just left President's Day right there, but it's okay. I'm not gonna pick that up. So then President's Day is in. I did with that little corner. I put that extra sticker down, then I put down more of the little tabs for little what I want to do next month, possibly, and putting little things as reminders. As far as the kit, I think I did relatively well with using the stickers that were given to me. I finished this front one. This one, half of it is pretty much gone. All of this, I only have the little bottom ones, which I think I can use anytime, so that's good. And then there's really only like one little thing left in these headings and this too. So I'm thinking about transferring these little extra ones over to this sheet, so I only have one sheet to work with and keep in my stuff. I really did enjoy that I was able to use all of them. And I will, once I find a pen that works on this, I'll fill in everything that I need to fill in. But I really did, although it wasn't as easy to work with, I'm very, very happy with the way it actually did come out. I think it came out relatively beautiful. I will enjoy looking at these stickers for sure for the rest of this month. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And have a wonderful, blessed day.